Namaskar. I'm Dr. Monica, Assistant Professor in School of Computer Science Engineering and Technology, Bennett University, Greater Noida, Uttar Pradesh. Welcome you all for the introductory session of course AI-powered customer relationship management from fundamentals to applications. Every business aims to win loyal customer, but it is widely known that even the most successful firms with excellent marketing program face serious difficulties when it comes to customer retention. This underscores the importance of customer relationship management to any organization. CRM deals with helping business in successfully implementing strategies, practices, and technologies that are aimed at winning and retaining customers profitably. The original CRM systems were database of customers' information and customer interactions kept and used by accounting departments. The vast amount of data generated by the CRM platform became too much for the traditional system, and a new solution has to be found. Now, we know that AI will have an impact on our lives unlike any technology before it. This is where artificial intelligence tools stepped in and have since changed the way CRM system works today. CRM, it connects all your customer data from multiple platforms on one platform so that teams can use AI to create best personalized experience. With secure and trusted AI, now every employee across sales, service, commerce, marketing and IT can generate and take actions on brilliant customer insights instantly. The predictive nature of AI enhances workflow capabilities and help organizations develop more personalized communication with their customers. This course is designed to equip you with knowledge and skills needed to navigate the complexities of CRM with AI. In this course of 4 credit that is distributed over 8 weeks, we will dive deep into the exciting and ever-evolving world of integrating AI with CRM. After the completion of this course, students will be able to assess the changing landscape of CRM, identify the key trends and future direction that can impact business strategies with the role of artificial intelligence in transforming the CI process. Can analyze customer data using natural language processing techniques and predictive analytics to identify patterns, sentiments, and trends for informed decision making. Can design and implement AI-powered chatbots for automating customer feedback, collection, and improving customer service through real-time issue resolution. Understand the exciting CRM process and purpose optimized AI-driven strategies such as recommendation engine and personalized customer engagement solution. And finally, can be capable of assessing and addressing ethical considerations such as data privacy, security, and bias in AI decision making, ensuring the transparency and fairness in CRM practices. So, by the end of this course, I hope you will emerge with a holistic understanding of AI with CRM to tackle real-world challenges and contribute innovatively to the CRM industry. So, dear learners, welcome you all in the exciting journey of the course AI-powered CRM from fundamentals to applications.